Hi, this is the Prism 2. Unfortunately the screen went bad, and prior buying a new screen I want to know that I'm able to disassemble and reassemble it. It was a little hard to take off this cover, just so you know. Even I wasn't sure that I'll be able to do it. That's why I didn't make a video prior to that. But and I also took the label off from here because I wasn't sure if there's a screw, if there's a screw under the label or not. But there's no screw under the label, so you don't need to worry in case you disassemble it. You just take the screws around, and there are like here something like 6 or 8 screws. And then the only thing that is hard, that you should be careful, is this part, because this is the inner antenna. So and it's connected like that to the inside. That's why you need to somehow to do the right movement to take it out. So let's see how we carry on in taking off the part, so we can see if we can change the screen. Well, I don't see here any more screws. So I'll just use the screwdriver to take off the board. Here, I can already see that this part probably connected to the screen. I wonder if I can take it out or not. You know what? I won't do it at that stage. Let's just... And also there is another cord over here. Well, let's see if I can... Yeah, it clicks out. Okay, now we go to the risky part. If we can take this thing out. It's connected in 2 parts, that's why it's hard to take it out. Over here and over here. Okay, let's just stop it while I'm trying to work this thing through.